Yes, so my people, no be small thing dey happen for Nigeria oh. Today, no be small thing happen. VDM and Mr Jollof, dem meet for inside airplane. Una know say for many months now, Mr Jollof dey drag VDM and Victor Osimhen. Anything wey VDM do, he must complain. Anything Victor Osimhen do, he must complain. So today, as dem meet for inside airplane, na dem start to dey fight o. No be small thing. VDM begin dey lay sound, dey knock down, dey blow yourself. Mr Jollof even bite VDM for chest. No be small thing. Let me leave you to watch the video. What do you think, guys? Drop your opinion on the comment section.
Dog back on that for flag. Go slap you on down. One life, you have to slap you.
Is it? Media, I get a banner. Give him one.
Please, see.
I don't understand you. Who attack each other first? Sonto. Who fight each other first? The guy here. Why now? This is rubbish now. This is rubbish now. I got contact him. No now. Video, you never reach like that. No now. I am moving life. No. This is rubbish now. This is rubbish now.
Well schooled, I'm well enlightened, you know, I'm well traveled. So when you want to talk to somebody like me normally, we don't go through the highs and lows for social media influencing. Suppose they had uncle, you do your hand like this for me. If you say because you get chest, if you say what, don't follow me, that go slap your eye. You hear? I'll slap your eye, if you than me, you won't follow do all this one.
Alright, Mr. Jollof, I just see your video. Before I address that video, there's one part where you say if you see me, you could slap me. You understand? And that's where you talk, you make me fear. The truth be say, you know, say the best form of defense is attack. You don't already talk on for social media. So if you see me, you could slap me. So if I see you anywhere now, I go have to defend myself by attack first. Because if you attack, you go rush, come slap me. So I fear. So anywhere when me and you see now, if you not give me a slap, I go knock you. You understand? And I promise you. I know they follow you do social media cruise. I don't catch cruise, yeah? You understand? It's like a chick soon work, and the good part we say we do Abuja together, so we may likely meet anywhere. So if I see you, I have to give you before you give me to protect myself. Else you're gonna